In the proud spirit of America and in the proud spirit of our great country, finally, The Rock says, drivers, start your engine!
In a 300 rebanking in the 1200 short shoot. Pace car will take a hard left turn now.
Here it goes! Biggity, biggity, biggity! Let's start this NASCAR season, drivers! Come on.
Is going to be experiencing the speed of the pack that they haven't experienced. One for the first 10 finishers they carry with you all through the season. Some of these teams are counting points beginning right now. How about this? Byron moved up to go around.
1 lap to go for stage 1. Chase Elliott's back up front.
Final lap of the stage.
Lap car.
Lap car small on the bottom. Chase Elliott.
It's not Chase Elliott.
Out and pick up the stage win.
Speaking of Chase Elliott, your leader, Larson pushing. Will Larson try anything?
Kyle Larson, teammate to Chase
Doesn't look like it.
Will he ride with him? Will he try to grab those 10 points and the stage ticket for himself? We see Ross Chastain.
Uh-oh, there's Chastain. Chastain. Uh-oh, Chastain actually pushed. Oh, we're going to have a side-by-side finish for stage 1. No, we're not. Chase Elliott.
Fantastic. And here he comes.
Here come the Fords.
A big pack with him. This will be half the field. Now here's the speed of the line. Cars come in and around goes one of them.
Josh Berry around. Is he going to be pitting in reverse? He's pitting in reverse. Kyle Busch gets pushed out front. Final lap for stage 2. Kyle Busch pushed out front by William Byron. But now Blaney pushing Cindric back up front.
What he's doing right there is checking up so he doesn't run into the back of the car in front of him, and that's the kind of momentum that they have right now. Able to just run up there and ram that car if he didn't let off the throttle.
Battle for the stage win. Battle to be the first car 1 lap down and get the free pass. That's Priest versus Gibbs, and Cindric takes him into turn.
Cindric in the lead. Kyle Busch gonna get. Oh no! Blaney dumped him! Blaney's out front! Good move by Blaney. And Blaney takes stage 2.
It is Blaney's third stage win of the day.
He's saying no. Waved his hands. Stop, stop, stop.
Field nuts are on.
But damage control. They got right on the radio to Kyle. Told him, watch your speed, stay down, stay on the apron, keep that left front on all costs to get back around here to pit road and get it.
Chastain is in the position where if he causes the wreck, it's definitely going to be him. It is for the win. No, Logano, stay with your teammate. Stay on the outside. Keselowski with the move the second. Will he challenge? Now he goes back up front of Logano for second. Logano with a huge push. Can Keselowski keep the car stable? Logano with the move. Keselowski shuffle. Turn. No, here he goes. Logano in the wall. Big one happening. The big one has happened. And that was Ross Chastain. Chastain out front. Chastain with the over-aggressive blocking. The big one happened. Multiple factors you got. You got Chastain trying to block. Trying to defend his lead. Byron got tapped by Bowman. Blaney shuffled to the inside. Byron spins into Keselowski. Logano into the wall. And the wreck just goes from there. I mean, here's the thing. Is it really Chastain's fault? Yes and no. You're out. Whoever was going to be out front was going to get blamed for the wreck. So yes and no. Yes and no. Chastain's fault. Chastain was out front the moment of the caution, or was up front. He was blocking Keselowski, trying to block Byron at the same time. Byron dives to the inside. Bowman tries to follow, but Bowman knocked him loose. Byron spins into Keselowski. Keselowski turns to Logano, and that just sets the chain reaction. That is the best summary for the chain reaction. That's the best way you can put it. I mean, look how close Chastain was to being collected from that camera view. Let out a sigh of relief, pit crew. That was close. To get the lead, but is he clear of Byron? He is not. Cindric with a huge push. Cindric with the push to put Byron ahead. Byron is leading. But Bowman's going to have a push of his own. To Chastain. Chastain, will he have enough? 3 wide. Kyle Busch leading the outside line. Chase Elliott joins him on the outside. There goes Ross Chastain. William Byron is currently out front. 2 laps to go to the 500. William Byron's out front. Come on, Chili's car. AJ Allmendinger in the middle line. Fakes out. Center line. Got the momentum right now. Right now it's the front 2. Chastain with momentum from the middle line. Broken up by LaJoie, but it looks like it's rebirthed. 1 lap to go. Byron blocks. Mistake possibly being turned. There's a huge wreck. Who's out front? Who's out front at the moment of caution? Okay, they're well past the start-finish line. Who's up front? It's either Byron or Bowman. Here's the official replay. Cindric turns. Byron! Byron is going to the victory lane. William Byron wins the Daytona 500. William Byron, whose racing career began on a computer, wins the Daytona 500.